Alright, you guys, I finally got the Revlon One Step hair dryer and bottom. I went to all the stores and was not in stock, even though online it said it was in stock. So here we go. We're gonna open it. It's got that really thick cord, like a normal hair dryer, and here it is. By the way, I got it at Target.com. They had free 2-day shipping, and it actually got here a day early, so I'm super stoked to try this out. So let's see if it's true. Okay. Yeah, it's not too heavy. It's lighter than I thought it was gonna be, honestly. And then if you can see the little bristles, I'm gonna try to zoom. There you go. It's got 2 types, the boar and then the other straight comb ones. And then this is supposed to be ceramic. It's just black, but that's where the ionic technology comes in. So we're gonna put this baby to the test. I just took a shower, washed my hair, and we're gonna try this out and see if it's true. All the fuss is true.